All right, what's on the bench? Another antenna. Here's a cool kind of feed horn, kind of smooth variable frequencies, tiny frequencies to big frequencies. It's like launching a particular frequency yeah, it should be pretty wide band the way it's constructed. No markings on this at all, and no markings on the package at all. I'll try to remember to put a link below. But yeah, I don't know what to expect out of this thing. All right, here we go. Scanning between 2.8 and 4.1 gigahertz. It's kind of where it likes to operate. And if we look at log mag, you can see it's kind of working pretty good out here. How come my screen didn't update? There we go. So from around 3.6 to 3.9, it's working really, really good. And then it's got this ugliness here at around 3.3. And then it gets really good again around 3.2. So yeah, there you go. I expected it to be smoother in frequency because of the nice way it fans in frequency, where it gets wider and wider and wider. So yeah, I'm not quite sure why I understand why it's not smoother and why it's lumpy. All right, like I said, no markings. I expected it to be pretty broadband. It seemed to be lumpy. I don't understand what would cause the lumps. It's got the center feed onto this piece and then the grounds on those guys. Nothing on the back. So I don't know. Comment below.